Radar illumination of JASDF aircraft by Chinese military aircraft. Press release. December 7, 2025. The Ministry of Defense. The original text is in Japanese. First, between approximately 1632 and 1635 on Saturday, December 6, 2025, an incident arose that J-15 fighter aircraft, which launched from the aircraft carrier Liaoning of the Chinese Navy in the high seas airspace southeast of Okinawa Island, intermittently illuminated by its radar F-15 fighter aircraft of the Japan Air Self-Defense Force, which were conducting airspace intrusion countermeasures against the aircraft. Secondly, between approximately 1837 and 1908 on that day, an incident arose that the J-15 fighter aircraft, which launched from the aircraft carrier Liaoning of the Chinese Navy airspace southeast of Okinawa Island, intermittently illuminated by its radar another F-15 fighter aircraft of the Japan Air Self-Defense Force, which were conducting airspace intrusion countermeasures against the aircraft. The radar illumination was a dangerous act that exceeded the range necessary for a safe flight of aircraft. It was extremely regrettable that such incidents took place, and the Japanese government made a strong protest against such extremely dangerous acts and strongly urged the government of China to ensure that similar actions do not recur. There was no damage to the aircraft and the personnel of Japan Air Self-Defense Force.
That's the news for now. Thanks for being with us. The news continues on this channel. Have a great time.